everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this today video, I gonna describe or I wanna teach you about stack data structure in C. By this end of the video, you will learn or you will able to describe about the introduction to the stack, implementation of stack, stack operations, and stack applications. Introduction to the stack. A basic concept. Uh, a stack is a linear data structure that follows last in first out principle, where the last element added is the first element to be removed. Example: take an example of bread slices in your cover. When you wish to take a bread slice, you will definitely take the top one, right? Instead of taking the bottom. In the same way, while you are accessing the data from the stack, we will first access the element that is the last we are inputted. Example: a group of books or a pile of plates in a kitchen. Characteristics: stacks have specific characteristics such as limited access to the top element only, dynamic memory usage, and capacity limits determined by available system resources. Applications: memory management, function call management, expression evaluation. Implementation of stack in C. Using arrays. Arrays represented. This is a very easy concept. A stack can be represented by array where the top and bottom of the stack corresponds to the first element of an array. That means A of 0, the first element of the array, represents the top element of the stack, and the top of the element is represented by an index. That is, A of n minus 1/3 element is represented by the top of the stack. Push operation or inserting operation that adds an element to the top of the stack. It involves incrementing index and inserting new element. That's while checking for stack overflow. Pop operation. The pop operation removes the topmost element from the stack. You can also call it as delete operation. Stack using linked list. We generally know that linked list node contains two parts. Two fields. First field contains data part, and second field contains address of the next node. In the same way here, each element of the stack is stored in a node, with each node pointing to the next node, allowing for dynamic memory allocation. Pop operation, which is known as inserting operation. The pop operation in a linked list stack involves creating a new node, setting its pointer to the current top node, and updating the top pointer to this node. Pop operation or delete operation. The pop operation involves removing the top node from the stack. Advantages and disadvantages. Using linked list for stacks allows dynamic sizing and preventing overflow, but incurs extra memory overhead over the pointers, which may be less efficient than the array representation. Stack operations. Basic operations of the stack are push, pop, peek, is empty or is full, count, etc. And one more is display, etc. Pop is the operation of adding an element to the top of the stack. It modifies the stack size and potentially lead to the stack overflow if the stack limit is reached. Are you get my point? Okay, going with the pop operation. Pop operation is also called delete operation. Pop operation, that is, pop removes a topmost element from the stack and returns to it. The operation decreases the stack size and can lead to the underflow if the attempted on an empty stack. Peek operation. Using this peek operation, we can access the topmost element from the stack. This operation helps in checking the next element to be removed without altering the stack. Is empty. This function is used to check whether the stack is empty or not. In the same way, is full is also a function which is used to check whether the stack is full or not. And display function, we can display all the functions, all the data or elements in the stack in a reverse order, because stack follows last in and the first out principle. Applications in stack. Applications of stack. Expression conversion, infix to postfix, infix to prefix, postfix evaluation, prefix evaluation. Recursion implementation, direct recursion or indirect recursion. Recursion is generally means a function which call itself directly or indirectly is called recursion. Direct recursion calls occurs when a function call itself, allowing the solution of problems by breaking them into a smaller manageable instance of same problem. Indirect recursion. Indirect recursion happens when a function calls another input that in turn calls the original function, creating a cycle that also aids in the problem solving the through Haeckel's calls. Thank you. This is Abhishek Budala from VVITU.